All right, ladies, a very, very good evening to all of you. I hope you guys are doing good and a digital hi to everyone. I would request all of you to start your videos instantly so that we can begin with the audition process. Wonderful. I can see some lovely faces across the screen. I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to Forever Star India, and this is your time to shine on. So I am sure all of you are all set, prepared, excited, nervous. There must be too many feelings going on because this, of course, kickstarts a new journey in your life, a new journey of fulfilling your dream and finally becoming the model that you want, or in fact, winning the crown that you must have dreamt of. All right, I would request everyone to keep their mics on mute because it would be easier for us to connect with each other to avoid any echo. All right, wonderful. So let's get started. And, I again welcome you all to the team of Forever Star India. We as a platform are not just about beauty pageants. Forever Star India is building a community, in fact, has already built one, where we intend to have women who are really like-minded, passionate, and talented, and have, the right kind of passion to fulfill their dreams in whatever ways, aspirations they have for their lives. So I am sure you guys are going to add a lot of value, and it's going to be fun to know each one of you. आप लोगों से बात करने में बहुत मजा आने वाला है. So before I start, of course, we have a very, very special guest here today with us, an FCR participant who has been into your shoes, who has gone through the audition and is one of the city finalists today. And she proudly represents our team, and of course has achieved this opportunity to become a mentor for you guys and to share her journey, because a team is always a bifurcation, but a member, a participant is always a participant, and who better than the one who has already gone through all of it to share her personal experience. So I invite Amrit Pal. Hi Amrit, how are you?
Hi Harry ma'am, I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And over to you. I would request you to give some insights into this one.
Hello, good evening, all the beautiful ladies. Oh, such a lovely faces. So sweet. Well, I'm Dr. Amrit, and my journey, it's super exciting. Fine. Well, if I talk about from the very beginning, I think that I have so many misconceptions about my own self, that I am an introvert person or some sort of a person who just want to be in a shell. Fine, but during the grooming sessions or during the training sessions, I have realized that it's not a introvertness. It's not about in being in a shell. It's about a lack of confidence. I have learned so many things during the training sessions and grooming sessions, and now look how confident I am and sitting in front of you and addressing FCR. So every time, whenever we think about or whenever we talk about our community, the most amazing facts about FCI is that you will get n number of grooming and training sessions. You will get certified. You will get there are abundance of everything. You will get surprises every day. You will get contests. You are the lifetime member of this family. So this is all about us, and you will definitely discover few more things when you are going through your journey, that as I have discovered my own self during my journey, and I wish you will definitely get yourself during this journey. And I would like to advise you all, the things I have learned during this 7 or 8 months of their training sessions, that FCR is the only platform where you have a competition with your own self. Fine. You have to deal with your own weaknesses. You have to groom yourself. And the most amazing thing is that the competition is you versus you. You have to groom, you have to work on your own skills, on your personalities, your overall persona. You have to do that. So I just don't want to take more time because it's very precious and you all are so much excited. So to conclude, I would like to thank FCR for such a great opportunity. as well as I welcome you all beautiful ladies, and I wish you very, very, a successful journey ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amrit. Thank you so much. It was lovely having you here today. And now let's get to know more about these women who are sitting across the screen. My, screen is filled with lovely faces smiling across. So all the best to everyone. But now let's hear it about the audition process. So how are we going to go about it? So it's going to be in two steps. The first step being, your introduction. I will be interacting one-on-one with each one of you, and the introduction should primarily include your details, of course, दूसरी चीज आपकी hobbies, and last but not the least, why are you here today? What makes you want to win the crown? What is the aspiration behind it? So I hope that is clear, and we will be concluding by kickstarting your dream of becoming a model by seeing two glimpses, of your ramp walk with 2 rounds. Okay. So all the best, ladies, and of course, I have to introduce our jury member for the day, our director of Forever Star India, a boss lady indeed, Kirti Chaudhary, who has been, nurturing this project like a baby since months now, and she will be adding a lot of insight and value to your performances by giving snippet reviews. But I'm sure you all must be excited to hear from her first. Then, of course, before I take over to you, Kirti ma'am. Welcome on board.
Thank you, Harry. A very good evening to you. Good evening, Amritpal, and good evening, my beautiful ladies appearing for your audition today. My best wishes are there with all of you. Let me just tell you that do not worry about anything. Just be very confident with whatever you wish to present today in front of us. Secondly, language is not a problem. So if you are comfortable in English, आप English में अपना introduction दे सकते हैं. But if you're more comfortable, speaking in Hindi, अगर हिंदी में आप खुद को ज़्यादा अच्छे से express कर सकते हैं, then please go ahead. आप हिंदी में भी अपना introduction दे सकते हैं. Introduction has to be very, very crisp. Do not get into too much details. हमें एक basic idea चाहिए that why are you here today? Why do you wish to participate in Forever Miss or Mrs. India 2021? And what are your aspirations when you are here on this platform? मतलब आप क्या करना चाहते हो? आप लाइफ में किस चीज के लिए पैशनेट हो? We just want to know that in short. Secondly, आपका जो रैंप वॉक होगा वो बहुत ही क्लियर होना चाहिए. Just set your camera, your phone, your laptop, whatever you're using in such a way that we are able to see you completely. हमें आपको पूरा देखना है ताकि आपकी रैंप वॉक को हम properly judge कर सकें, right? So all the best and be unapologetically you. जैसे आप हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही आपको खुद को यहाँ पे present करना है. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. And let's get started and let's get to know more of these wonderful ladies. And I would request the one with the username iPhone, जिन्होंने black dress or silver, yeah, you. Can you please unmute yourself?
Good evening, judges.
Hi, can I please have your name first?
Yeah, my name is Paromita Chaudhary.
Hi, Paromita. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, can I please have your introduction?
Yes. So as I told you, my name is Paromita Chaudhary and I'm from Kolkata, and very old traditional part of Kolkata. And I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own educational institution. It's a placement consultancy, which work in the field of education. And recently, during this growth of social media and this platform, in this 2021, I thought to have some variation in my life, in my professional life too. So I started my own boutique, which is completely eco-friendly, because we have taken so many things from society, and I felt that we have also something to give it back to the society. So I'm working with the grassroots level of the weavers, and with my education institute also. And I'm a mom. I have a kid who is 10 years old. I make it very clear. I work till from morning 8 a.m. to 5 in the p.m., maximum 6 in the evening. But after that, I really feel that my son needs me. It's not that I can give him some another support. So I stop working after 6 p.m. and I strictly spend my time with my son, helping him with his assignment, listening to his stories, all, bug, which some have but just to hand them as well. Sing together, we do his assignment together. Evening is completely for him. Then this is my everyday schedule. After dinner, as a person, I am very creative. And I feel that it is not only for me, but as all of us, we want our next generation to grow beautifully like a plant. So I feel this is my son taught me that we cannot instruct him or our children to do, but we have to do it and show, see, this is how it is done. So I during this lockdown session, I took admission in, as I'm a Bengali, I'm a Bengali, I'm from Bengal. So I took my admission with my son in the recitation class and also in Ravindra Sangeet class, and I do painting. These are the hobbies. I love to sing, I love to recite, I love to paint, and my recent hobbies are my plants. So in this, and I got married when I was only 21 years old. So I even completed my master degree also post marriage. Now, when I'm sharing this story with all of you, it's really exciting. But when I did it post marriage, my completed my study, it was really difficult. So this journey of my 15 years of my marriage taught me that I need to now work on my self growth. I need to meet people. I need to explore. So that's why I'm here. I want to meet people. I want to explore myself. I want to look life with some different avenues also. So that's what I am.
Thank you, Paramita. Thank you so much. That was wonderfully put. And I would request you to start with your ramp walk, please.
Just give me one moment. Let me set my camera accordingly. My phone fell down. Just give me one moment. Am I clearly visible? Entire me?
Yes, you are visible. Go ahead.
Okay.
Is it taking time, Paromita? All right, Paromita, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So thank you for appearing for today's audition. Let me just tell you that your ramp walk was pretty average. There is a lot of work that needs to be done. So have you done a ramp walk for the first time in your life?
Yes.
Okay. So technically अभी बहुत काम करने की जरूरत है with respect to your ramp walk. It was very casual. आप बहुत ही casual walk कर रहे थे. Secondly, your presentation skills are good, but थोड़ा सा और हमें clarity की जरूरत है, right? When you talk about yourself, it has to be very crisp. We cannot go into so much detail. Though I like the fact that you have demarcated, boundaries between your personal and professional life. That's really amazing. When you have kids, when you have a family to take care of, that's something really important that needs to be done. So good that you are taking care of it, but we can work a little bit with respect to your presentation skills. So I'm sure when I go into the details, that Forever Star India has a team of 150 plus experts, where motivational speakers, image consultants, they're actually going to train you that how you should be talking about yourselves so that people actually listen to you. Right, so that finesse has to be there when you're talking about yourself. So I'm sure you are capable of going ahead. आप बहुत आगे जाने वाली हैं, but that little work is required. So just keep your fingers crossed and wait for your audition reports. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Paromita. Thank you so much. Let's hear from Deepika now. Hi, Deepika. How are you? कैसी हैं आप?
I'm good.
Okay, great. So, Deepika, can we please have your introduction?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you everyone for giving me such a big and beautiful platform where we present our talent and perform it. I'm Deepika Acharya, 21 years old from Jagatsinghpur, Odisha. Currently, I'm pursuing Bachelor of Planning in College of Engineering and Technology, Bhubaneswar. My hobbies are dancing, making illustration, and drawing. I want to win the crown because मुझे अपनी कुछ आइडेंटिटी बनाना है और मुझको देखकर कोई अदर गर्ल इंस्पायर होती वो मेरी तरह बन सके.
ओके, वंडरफुल दीपिका. क्या कहते हैं, आप नर्वस हैं?
इसमें
आपकी स्माइल से पता चल रहा है. You don't have to be nervous at all. It's okay. You can interact with me like you interact with a friend, and it has to be very normal. You are talking about yourself, and that's the most beautiful thing that you could ever do. And आप बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही हैं. You have chosen a very interesting outfit, and I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
इसमें 1 minute.
All right, Deepika, thank you so much for appearing for this audition of Forever Miss India. So once again, I would like to say that I love your outfit. आपने बहुत अच्छा outfit choose किया है. Your hair is looking lovely. बस आप एक stilettos और पहन लेते अगर ramp walk के लिए तो आपका look बिल्कुल perfect हो जाता, right? So you're not wearing any footwear. So from next time, whenever you're doing a ramp walk, please make sure that you are wearing your stilettos. 1% आपके पास stilettos नहीं है, wear something. You know, कुछ ना कुछ आप थोड़ा बहुत heels पहनिए, because that is going to give a look to your ramp walk, because ramp walk ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता बिना footwear के, right? So now it puts me in a position where I cannot judge you properly. दो आपने ठीक किया, it was average. Technically काफी ज्यादा काम हो सकता है अभी ramp walk पे, the way you're crisscrossing your legs, जो आपने turns लिए थे वो और better हो सकते हैं. So hoping to see a better version of you if you come on board as a Forever Miss India participant. So all the best from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Deepika. Thank you so much. Let's hear from Chandrita. Hi, Chandrita.
Hi, hello.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Can we please have your introduction?
Sure, ma'am. I'm Chandrita Mishra. I'm from Kharagpur. I have done my graduation from Calcutta University and I have done a diploma in aviation from Franklin Institute. And currently I'm working as a product survey executive in ITC, Indian Tobacco Company. And I have done some modelings as well. I have worked with Senco Golds and Diamonds in Kolkata, because right now I'm staying in Kolkata. And and be an influencer and do some good for our society and influence people who are not privileged enough to become free, to become a free bird, to become a person that they can do anything whatever they want to do in their life. So I just want to encourage their life. So for that I need to be a person and I need to be on that place also, that I can inspire people. So I need that face, and that's why I'm here, and I will give my 100%, whatever it takes. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandrita. Thank you so much. You have a very noble thought behind your, persuasion of modeling. And I just want to ask you one more thing, that
Sure.
do you have other hobbies apart from modeling?
Ma'am, I love dancing and I love singing also. And I have done painting in 5th year level, but after that, for the education and job, I'm not currently working on that thing, but I love singing.
Okay, wonderful, Chandrita. I'm sure we'll get to see a glimpse of it really soon in our talent rounds. And Chandrita, I have to compliment you. Are very well prepared for the question today. You look lovely.
Thank you
and
so
I would
much.
request you to start with your ramp walk.
Sure, ma'am, sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Chandrita. How are you?
I'm great, ma'am. How are you?
Even I am doing good. Thank you for asking. So once again, you're looking lovely. Your dress is
Thank
looking
you so
lovely.
much.
And the way you talked about yourself, I totally loved it. When you're very calm while you're talking about yourself, it totally shows that you are sorted, right? You have a clarity of thoughts that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want to do in your life. So that was completely visible with the way you were talking about yourselves. And secondly, your ramp walk was good. Just that I felt a little bit that, the movement of your hand could be a little more subtle. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा hand movement हो रहा था. But that is something that can be worked upon. And while you were walking, with the confidence that you were walking, it completely showed that you have somewhere been a part of, maybe such a platform or modeling that you have already mentioned. So all the best from my side. I am hoping that you will be there for the training and grooming sessions.
I would love to, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandrita.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a great day.
You too have a lovely evening.
Thank you so
Hi,
much.
Nikita. How are you? कैसी हैं आप?
हेलो मैम। हेलो मैम, मैं ठीक हूँ मैम, आप कैसे हो?
I am
Hello.
good. मैं भी बढ़िया। अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज।
मेरा नाम निकिता पाटिल है। मैं कर्नाटका के बेलगाम के एक छोटे से गांव से, मंडोली से हूँ, और मैं एक फार्मर्स की सोसाइटी में एक छोटा सा क्लर्क का जॉब करती हूँ, और उसके साथ ही एक्सटर्नल बीकॉम कर रही हूँ।
ओके, तो निकिता आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या हैं?
मैम मेरी हॉबीज, मुझे रीडिंग पसंद है, कुकिंग पसंद है, और घर के काम करना बहुत पसंद है, और मैं एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हूँ, और मुझे मॉडलिंग बहुत पसंद है। मतलब मैंने अखबार या टीवी पे देखा है, पर मुझे रियलिटी में करना बहुत ही पसंद होगा अगर मुझे चांस मिला तो।
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल निकिता, बहुत अच्छा लगा। आपकी ऑनेस्टी ही आपका की फैक्टर है एंड इट शोज रिफ्लेक्ट थ्रू योर फेस एज वेल। यू हैव अ वेरी वेरी काम पॉजिटिव वाइब। एंड निकिता, आप मॉडलिंग का सपना किस जरिए से पूरा करना चाहते हैं? लाइक व्हाट इज द एस्पिरेशन बिहाइंड यू वांटेड टू बिकम अ मॉडल? या ये क्राउन जीतने के पीछे आपका क्या सपना है?
मेरा ये बचपन का सपना है। मतलब एक खूबसूरत और एक इंटेलिजेंट लड़की को दिया जाता है, और मैं साबित करना चाहती हूँ कि मैं भी एक हूँ इसमें, और मुझ में भी ये जज्बा है, और मैं भी ये कर सकती हूँ।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आई कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड। एंड आप बेशक बहुत ही खूबसूरत और इंटेलिजेंट हैं। यू हैव पास्ड योर ऑडिशन हियर, सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू स्टार्ट विद योर रैंप वॉक।
यस मैम। Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, Nikita. How are you? कैसे हो निकिता?
मैं ठीक हूँ मैम, आप कैसे हो?
मैं भी बिल्कुल अच्छी हूँ। आपने जो ये छत पे किया है रैंप वॉक, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है आपकी लोकेशन। इट्स गिविंग मी अ वेरी पॉजिटिव वाइब, और आप भी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हो। ऑल्दो यू आर नॉट वेयरिंग द अप्रोप्रिएट अटायर एंड फुटवेयर, लेकिन आपने रैंप वॉक बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली किया है, व्हिच शोज यू आर केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग रियली रियली गुड। सो ऑल द बेस्ट फ्रॉम माय साइड।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Nikita. Thank you so much. And let's hear from
Thank you,
Yogita. Hi, Yogita.
Good evening, judges.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please have your introduction?
My name is Yogita Chauhan. I am 22 years old from Maharashtra, to be more specific, Mumbai. I am fourth year medical student, 22 years old. So my hobby, actually I come from a very academic oriented background, and I've worked very hard in my education. I'm going to be the first doctor in my family. So sometimes it makes me wonder that there are so many places in India where children are not getting quality education, and also at the same time how poverty affects a child's dream. Talking about my hobbies, I like reading, videography, volunteering, and water sports, even though I don't know swimming. But other than that, I am a self-taught artist. So I have never received any sort of professional dance training, but I love to express myself through dance. My aim behind taking part in a competition and winning this contest is actually to become the voice of the unheard opinions regarding repressed topics like sexism and inequality a women face at every stage of their life. Because I've experienced a little challenge, quite a few challenge throughout my journey till here. So winning this contest or maybe just participating in this will give me a chance to talk about what I'm truly passionate about, and that how negativity should not rent space in our life, and just not let any negativity, stop a woman from reaching her full potential. Thank you.
Thank you, Yogita. Thank you so much. And, I loved the clarity that you have that, what eventually this dream of modeling is going to translate for you. For that matter, there is a lot of thought behind it, and that shows with your confidence. I would request you to start with the ramp walk.
Okay. एक मिनट मम्मी
All right, Yogita, how are you? Okay, I cannot hear you. You are on mute.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm good.
Okay. So let me just tell you that I'm sure today you're the first person who's, using some music for your ramp walk. Your attire is perfect. Yeah, you must have been told by the team that you're supposed to wear a black and blue, right? Black upper
Yeah,
and
I
blue
did
lower.
a quite research.
Right. So that's what you are following. And, it completely shows that how sincere you are towards your goals. If you want to be here on this platform, I'm sure, you have been considerate enough of, how you dressed yourself up, how you were talking about yourselves. So your, presentation was on point. You were well prepared about what you're supposed to speak for today's introduction. You were well prepared with the music alongside your, introduction. And the way you walked, you seemed pretty confident, because let me just tell you, this is for each one of you present here for today's audition, that ramp walk is not just ramp walk, ki aap bas walk karke dikha rahe ho. It is a non-verbal cue of your personality, right? It shows that how confident you are about your own self. So that's what it showed. You were confident. Of course, technically there's, a lot of work that needs to be done, but otherwise I completely loved your overall presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Yogita. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Kritika now. Hi, Kritika.
A very good evening, ma'am. A very good evening. A very good evening. I'm Kritika. I'm from Bangalore. I have completed my bachelor's degree from Hyderabad and my post-graduation. And yes, ma'am, I have been preparing for UPSC since a year. And when and modeling has always been on backdrop of my mind. It has been my passion, but I was never so much dared to be here because I was always an oversized kid who was very low in confidence. So I took up the journey of losing certain amount of fat and towards a healthy lifestyle. And then this gave me a thought, why not try this thing which was always on the backdrop of my mind. So I'm here, ma'am, and I'm very glad for being here. And my hobbies are, I love to dance. It's always been my favorite. And I love gymming. And of course, reading, ma'am.
Okay, Kritika, loved your honesty. It takes a lot of courage to put out your insecurities, of your past
Yes.
on a platform where, it's all about your first impression. So
Yes.
that shows how brave you are and how conscious you are of your journey so far. And
Yes.
that brings us and aligns us to your process, because Forever Star India is all about inclusivity. For us,
Yes.
any day, your personality, your talents matter and prioritize over your physical attributes. Even
Yes,
if you see
definitely.
in areas, usual standard model heights are considered from 5'5", 5'6", but we
Yeah.
have kept it minimum to 5, because we think that, we believe that it does not matter. Your dreams should not
Definitely.
be, a cut crop just because you do not match a certain height for that matter.
Exactly.
So, Kritika, that was lovely. I would request you to start with your rank walk.
Yeah, ma'am. Just a minute. Just give me a second, ma'am. I'm just setting up. Ma'am, am I visible?
Yes, Kritika, you're visible.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kritika, what is the hurry? We can have one more round, please.
Yeah, ma'am. I just have a small space, so I just managed to do that.
आपका frame आप थोड़ा lower कर सकती हैं, because we can't see your legs or anything for that matter. थोड़ा और lower.
Ma'am, now is it?
Yeah, I think it gets better, but you have to keep it a little lower, like I said, ताकि आप, because only your upper body is visible. Yeah, this works.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Kritika. How are you feeling now after you're done with your
feeling-
rank walk and introduction?
Yeah, I'm feeling good and happy for being interacting with you all, ma'am. I'm really glad being here.
All right, even we are feeling happy after listening to you, because when Harry said that we are here to break the stereotypes which the beauty pageants already existing across the country, they have made up in our minds. Because when we hear beauty pageant, it's just like we have to look a certain way, we have to behave a certain way, our color has to be this, our height has to be this. So when we say we are an inclusive platform, so that's what we are here to do. We want to break these chains, and we want each one of you to understand that this is not what defines us. Our physical attributes do not actually define us. So
Exactly.
yes, when you talked about your own insecurities, I'm sure a lot of us who are present here, I'm sure a lot of us could relate to what you were saying, right? Maybe in some other sense of some other physical attribute. But kudos to you that you have, good presentation skills. You talked about yourselves confidently, which is a very important, trait of your personality. Your ramp walk needs improvement. Abhi काफी काम करने की ज़रूरत है हमें ramp walk के respect में, which obviously that is something that trainers can, if you are passionate about something, if you are here on this platform, if you want to make a difference, I'm sure the trainers can help you do that.
Yeah.
So all the best from my
Definitely.
side.
Yes.
And hoping to see you in the training sessions, Kritika. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you, Kritika.
Thank
Okay,
you.
next we have SCK Reddy. Can you please start your video and audio?
Hi, ma'am. How are
Hi,
you
can I
doing?
please have your name?
My name is Sri Chaitra Kareddy.
Okay. Can you please, say it again? I couldn't get it. I'm so sorry.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Is this better?
Yeah, I think it's better now.
Oh, okay, cool. My name is Sri Chaitra Kareddy.
Sri Chaitra. Okay, that's an interesting name. Can you please have your introduction?
Sure. So like I said, my name is Sri Chaitra Kareddy, and I recently did my master's in computer science. And I'm working for a healthcare startup as a developer. That's on my professional end. My hobbies include traveling. I love to travel, which I haven't been able to do a lot because of the pandemic, of course. And I love reading books, and of course, I love to dance. I've been trained in Kuchipudi uh, since I was a kid. Though I don't get to practice it as often as I would love to because of my work schedule and my studies. And I'm here to challenge myself in the sense that this has been a childhood dream to represent myself as a model, to represent my country in some aspect, and as was always a childhood dream, like seeing people walk. I'm basically a pretty, keep it natural, keep it simple kind of a person, and I've always wanted to challenge myself in that aspect. So all of that brings me here. Thank you.
Okay, that's a very interestingly put up, follow up that you made, and I loved how you connected the dots and put up the final conclusion that what brings you here. So appreciate the clarity there, and I would request you to start with your wrap up.
Uh, sure. Can you give me like 1 second? I'll just lower
Sure.
my camera and be ready. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shri Chatra. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, even I'm good, and I loved the way you were talking about yourselves. Though I could not, hear a few things because I was busy on a call. But you are very calm when you're talking about yourself. It's lovely. I love your hair, and you're the second contestant today who has totally, followed the dress code. You put on music also, and your ramp walk also. I liked it. Yes, थोड़ा सा काम करने की जरूरत है, but overall your confidence was good enough. The way you were walking, it was very elegant. So yes, from my side, you're totally in for this audition. Thank you.
Thank you. I would love to be a part of the journey.
Thank you, Sri Chaitra. Moving forward, let's hear from Deboshri. Hi, Deboshri.
Good evening, judges.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Please start with your introduction.
Myself, Devushri Bar. I am from Maharashtra, Chandrapur. I have completed my PhD in Vastu Shastra and I work as a Vastu consultant. My hobbies is to listening music and social activities. Today I am here because being a short height, I used to bully in schools and colleges. That's why I'm here to prove myself that short height can't stop you from your dream.
Absolutely, absolutely. You look wonderful, Deboshri, and
Thank you.
like I said, it takes a lot of courage to put out your insecurity in such a transparent way. So I appreciate that. I would request you to start with your answer.
Just a moment.
Sure.
Can you give me a moment, please?
Yeah.
Ma'am, am I visible?
Yes, Deboshri, you're visible.
Okay. Oops. Sorry, it's a low space. That's why.
No issues, Deboshri. You can start one more round.
Sorry, can I do once more, please?
Yeah, you can do it once more. No issues.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Deboshri.
Thank you, Deboshri. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that you are looking lovely. I love your hair, I love your attire. लेकिन क्या हुआ था रैंप वॉक में बीच में?
मैम जगह छोटी थी ना, सोफा आ गया
जगह
था
तो मुझे बिल्कुल परफेक्ट लग रही है. You have good, space with you.
यहाँ स्पेस थोड़ा कम था सोफे के पास.
कोई बात नहीं. You seem pretty confident to me. काम थोड़ा सा चाहिए हमें. आपकी presentation skills को भी हम थोड़ा सा और groom कर सकते हैं. So for that we have image consultants, we have motivational speakers जो आपको और ज़्यादा polish कर सकते हैं. Yes, but how old are you?
I'm 33 years old.
Oh my God, seriously?
Yeah.
You do not look a bit like 33 because even I am, kind of 33. But
I'm married and I have my daughter too.
Oh my God, that's amazing. The way you've maintained yourself, I'm shocked. Hats off to you for maintaining yourself so well. And
thank you.
Just wait for your audition reports. Thank you, Deboshri.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Deboshri. Let's hear it from Prerna Nair. Hi, Prerna.
Hi, am I visible?
Yes, you are, and you have been looking lovely all the while. How are you?
So much. You as well. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. So I'll just brief about myself. Hi, everyone. A very good evening to everyone. I am Prerna Nair and I'm married. I have been born and brought up in Delhi and I've done my BTech in computer science and I work for HCL as a technical lead. Apart from that, I have been passionate about traveling, cooking, and I have even done modeling in 2013 as well as 14. So I have modeled for Femina as well as Beat. And it was my childhood dream to be a very successful model. But as of now, my aim to come here is to have a manch chahiye. I need to have a stage where I can talk about mental awareness, where I can talk about the domestic violence which women still face, though we still have a very regressive and oppressive society for women. So that's what I want to, make people aware about. And I want to tell how mental health is interlinked with domestic violence. So that is what I need a stage for.
Wonderful, Prerna. You definitely look that you have been into this process before because, the way that you have talked about yourself is very polished and very crisp for that matter. It takes a lot of, preparation mentally to put out everything in such little, time and of course, with such more clarity. So I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Sure, just let me arrange my camera just a moment. Thank you.
you, Prerna. How are you? A very good evening.
Very good evening. I'm doing well. How are you?
Even I'm doing great. And after watching your performance, I'm doing much, much better.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
All right. So though I could not see your legs, आपने जो थोड़ा सा angle choose किया था अपने laptop का, that was not perfect. I could just see the upper half of your body, but I could make out one thing, that you were enjoying your performance while you were walking. You were just going with the flow. थोड़ा सा hand movement ज़्यादा हो रहा था, but उसके अलावा, you seemed pretty confident to me. Your presentation is on point. I love the earrings that you're wearing. I love the makeup that you've done, and I love the attire that you've chosen.
Thank you.
So yes, from my side, you're totally in for today's audition. Thank you
so much. It's a pleasure.
Thank you, Prerna. Let's have Pratiksha next. Hi, Pratiksha. Pratiksha, आप म्यूट पे हैं. अपना mic on कीजिए. Yeah. Hi, how are you?
Fine, ma'am, and you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Can I please have your introduction? Pratiksha, can you hear me?
No, ma'am. एक मिनट. Hello, ma'am. Sorry. Actually, मैं job पे हूँ. I'm not comfortable इसलिए.
Okay. So, अगर आप अभी comfortable नहीं है तो आप कभी और भी अपना audition दे सकती हैं technical team से बात करके.
हाँ?
अगर आप अभी comfortable नहीं है तो आप कभी और भी अपना audition दे सकती हैं technical team से बात करके किसी और batch में.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, आप उनसे बात कर लीजिए because then you won't be able to perform, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Pratiksha. Looking forward to have you soon. Hi, Dhanashri. How are you? धनश्री आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Hi, madam.
How are you?
I am fine. You?
I am good. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज.
मैम मेरा नाम धनश्री है. मैं प्रॉपर कोल्हापुर की हूँ, महाराष्ट्र. एंड मैं इसमें फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट हो रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे इंटरेस्टेड है कि कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकती, उसके लिए तुम्हारा मतलब सुंदरता चाहिए. पर मेरा कहना ये है कि देखने पे मत जाना, जो कर सकता है कॉन्फिडेंसली जो करके दिखाएगा वही एक सुंदरता है. तो मतलब जो नामुमकिन है उसको मुमकिन करने के लिए मतलब दिल से मैं ये इसमें इन्वॉल्व हो रही हूँ और मुझे इंटरेस्ट भी है. जो लोग कहते हैं कि तुम नहीं कर पाओगी, बट मुझे आशा है कि मैं ये कर पाऊंगी.
बिल्कुल और आपने आज उसकी शुरुआत कर ली है धनाश्री. यू हैव हैड द करेज टू सिट अक्रॉस अ वर्चुअल स्क्रीन. एंड धनाश्री मुझे ये बताइए कि आप आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या है? व्हाट डू यू एंजॉय एज एन इंडिविजुअल?
मेरी हॉबीज बचपन से सोशल मीडिया मतलब लोगों की सेवा करना. मतलब मैं स्टाफ नर्स हूँ. मैंने बीच में शादी के बाद छोड़ दिया, तो मुझे लोगों की सेवा करना बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. उसके साथ साथ मुझे एक्टिंग करना है, मतलब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मुझे एक्टिंग करना है. ये मेरी हॉबीज है. बट पहली प्रायोरिटी मुझे पेशेंट्स का केयर करना है, ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
ठीक है, वंडरफुल धनाश्री. क्या हम आपकी रैंप वॉक देख सकते हैं?
जी मैम. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम कर रही हूँ.
नो इश्यूज, कोई बात नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप बस करिए, उतना ही बहुत है.
थैंक यू. एक मिनट, मेरा छोटा सा घर है, बड़ा घर नहीं, उसमें ही मैं करूंगी. ओके, एडजस्ट करती हूँ. मैम दिख रहा है?
यस धनाश्री, आप दिख रही हैं. यू कैन स्टार्ट.
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू धनाश्री, कैसे हैं आप?
अच्छी हूँ मैम, आप कैसे?
मैं भी बहुत अच्छी हूँ। आपने बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली अपने बारे में बात की, क्यों आप आना चाहते हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के। बस जो कॉन्फिडेंस आपकी बातों में था, वो कॉन्फिडेंस आपकी रैंप वॉक में भी आना चाहिए, राइट? आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हो, यू लुकिंग लवली, योर ड्रेस इज लुकिंग रियली नाइस, योर हेयर इज लुकिंग लवली, ओवरऑल आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो। लेकिन जब आप बात कर रहे हो तो आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हो, लेकिन आपने रैंप वॉक बहुत ही नॉर्मली किया, राइट? तो दोनों चीजें मैच होनी चाहिए। So next time, I want you to be more confident when you're walking, because your walk shows that what kind of a personality you are, right? So all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dhanashri. All right, so this brings us to the end, ladies. Can I please have all your videos back again, if it's possible? It would be great. All right, wonderful. So first of all, congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It was an incredible experience knowing you all, an absolute pleasure. And I'm sure ab tak aapne ek cheez realize kar li hogi, that you guys are so different from each other. But still, the one thing that is common amongst all of you is that wish to create a unique identity for yourself. You know, तरीका अलग अलग हो सकता है, किसी का it's about raising a voice, or किसी का it's about directly getting into modeling or acting, but eventually the bottom line remains, मुझे अपनी पहचान बनानी है at any cost, for that matter. So that is where we align, and of course our community aligns with your dreams. And to kickstart that, you will be receiving an audition report within 24 to 48 hours, barring the weekend, which will ensure a lot of transparency right from the scratch. Because आज आपने जो effort put in किया है, you need an output for it. Because किसी भी journey को शुरुआत करने के पहले, you need to know where do you stand, what are your weak points, what are your high points, so that eventually you can work upon them, right? So on the same lines, the audition report will be sent to all of you, no matter if you get selected or not, but it will give you clarity, the reasons behind your selection and the reasons behind your non-selection. And over that, it will hold a validity of a lifetime, which means you will not have to audition for Forever Star India's any of the pageants in the coming times at all. So there goes, your incredible start with our team. Secondly, once you clear the audition, what happens next? You become a lifetime member of the platform, a member of our community. Now again, re-emphasizing the fact that ये एक pageant नहीं है, ये एक community है जिसको हम build कर रहे हैं, where we have professionals from all fields. 150 plus experts are already on board, and we have been joining with a lot of achievers through our award shows as well. And moving on the same lines, now I'm sure अगर unique identity की बात करूं तो सबसे पहले आज के टाइम पे digital form में identity matter करती है. So what if I tell you, once your profile gets created here, any of you would type your name on Google. So for example, if I would type Amritpal Kaur, Miss India, her name pops up on the top of Google rankings. That is, I think वो वहां से एक चीज तो पूरी हो गई unique identity बनाने की, right? चाहे कितने भी आपके नाम के synonyms हो, but your profile will be boosted up in a way that once you will search your own name, be it Yogita, Kritika, for that matter, Sri Chaitra, Deboshri, आप अपना नाम जैसे ही Google पे डालोगे, your profile as an FCR participant, as a model representative will show on the top. So एक चीज तो वहीं से tick off हो गई, because each of you will be receiving that once you become a member, once you become a participant. And on the same lines, you will be receiving numerous opportunities on the platform, because every platform, every opportunity that gets generated from here. So basically next year हम अपना OTT platform भी launch करने वाले हैं, where we will be calling for actors, playback singers, script writers, and many more formulations. I'm sure everybody is aware of OTT. Netflix, Amazon have been the surviving pills for us throughout these pandemic times. And that is where we connect your talent to our platform. So no matter आप किसी भी तरीके से अपना talent या passion forward रखते हैं, we will give you the right kind of platform to boost it and work on it and find the best version of it. So that's it from my end, but who better than the director of Forever Star India to take over and talk about the community in detail. So over to you, Kirti ma'am.
Thank you, Harry, and congratulations to each one of you for completing your auditions successfully today. Of course, You are supposed to wait for your audition reports. Probably by Monday or Tuesday, you will be receiving your updated audition reports, and it is going to act like a certificate for each one of you. It will not be based on your selection or non-selection. उसमें आपको एक genuine review, एक genuine feedback दिया जाएगा. Now, what after this? Once you receive your audition report, if you are selected for Forever Miss or Mrs. India 2021, then officially you will become a participant of these beauty pageants, and we will instantly be starting with your training and grooming sessions. Right? Now, these training sessions are going to be completely virtual. Just the way you're sitting across the screen right now, जिस तरीके से आपने अभी हमें अपने बारे में बताया है, उसी तरीके से हम दिसंबर तक ये ट्रेनिंग और ग्रूमिंग सेशंस रखेंगे. Maybe once or twice a week you will have to be available according to the timing that's more suitable for you. Right? जैसे अगर आप mornings में free होते हैं तो आपको एक morning batch में place किया जाएगा. If you're free during the afternoons or during the evenings, आपको एक specific batch में place किया जाएगा, and then accordingly we will be starting with your training sessions. Now, after these training sessions, because as I say, the training and grooming happens virtually, the grand finale will be a grand offline event. Finale online nahi hone wala hai, though the announcement for city winners and the state winners will be virtual. लेकिन आपको crown पहनने के लिए all the way Jaipur आना पड़ेगा, because the grand finale happens in the most beautiful city of our country, that is Jaipur. Hotel Marriott is going to host this event, and it will be a 4-day event, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. Whether you become a winner at city level or you become a winner at state level, or for that matter at national level, you will be appropriately appreciated. Your efforts will be acknowledged here in this grand finale. Celebrities are going to be here. You will be wearing beautiful couture gowns, you'll be wearing those jewelry, footwear, and your makeup will be done by the best makeup artists across the country. But that needs a lot of hard work from your side and of course our team's side, right? So you will be putting in your efforts, you will have to be regular with your sessions. Only then I can assure you that all of you can be there for the grand finale, because we will be treating you as a celebrity as soon as you become a city winner. यानी कि ये पूरा प्रोसेस बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है. आप सीखेंगे, सीखते सीखते साथ में आप टैलेंट राउंड्स के लिए अपीयर करेंगे. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि इंस्टेंटली हम आपको रैंप वॉक राउंड में अपीयर करने के लिए बोल देंगे. फर्स्टली वी विल बी ट्रेनिंग यू, एंड देन यू विल बी लर्निंग फ्रॉम दीज ट्रेनिंग सेशंस, एंड देन यू विल बी अपीयरिंग फॉर योर टैलेंट राउंड्स. अगर आपका टैलेंट राउंड 1 है, which is totally about your talent and your presentation skills, then an internationally certified image consultant is first going to train you, and after that you will be appearing for these training sessions. लेकिन ultimately जो preparation है वो long run के लिए हो रही है, because we want you to benefit out of this platform. We are creating a huge community of women like you, because each one of you, आपने सबने आज कुछ ना कुछ unique बोला है, right? कोई mental awareness लेके आना चाहता है, कोई modeling में जाना चाहता है, यानी कि आप सबका एक motive है, एक goal है. लेकिन उस गोल को अचीव करने के लिए आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए, एक कम्युनिटी चाहिए, so that people actually listen to you, right? So once you reach at a level, your presentation skills are on point, people look up to you, लोग सुनते हैं आपकी बात. So this platform is going to provide you with everything that you've ever dreamt of, and just keep your fingers crossed, wait for the audition reports. Harry has shared the links to our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channels. The first thing that you're going to do after this session is you are going to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So that you get a better idea about the platform. Abhi humne sirf aapko verbally sara kuch bataya hai, but you need to go through everything. Do your thorough research before you become a part of this platform, because we have done our research. We have taken your audition. अब हम आपको आपकी ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट दे देंगे. Now it's on you that how you understand this platform, how you understand about this community. Now there's one more thing that I missed out on. Once you are receiving your audition report and you have cleared your audition, then there is a minimal fee of 4,000 plus GST, right? जो कि आपकी ट्रेनिंग, आपकी ग्रूमिंग अभी आगे होने वाली है. आपको जो लाइफ टाइम मेंबरशिप इस प्लेटफॉर्म की मिलेगी, so that it includes all of that. So this 4,000 plus GST is your participation fee, right? So anything that any one of you do not understand, anything about the process, about the grand finale, and the benefits that you're going to get here on this platform, please feel free to ask us any questions. Okay, so everyone's sorted? All sorted? Perfect, perfect. So you've taken a screenshot of our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube handles? Please do that.
Kruti ma'am, I have a small question.
Yes, please
did I
go
say
ahead.
your name right? Did I say your name right?
I'm sorry, I could not hear you.
It's Kirti.
Can you hear? Oh, Kirti. I know. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to make sure. I just had a small question. So when you were talking about talent rounds, right? So can you tell me a little bit of our journey from the audition report to how the talent rounds and how that timeline plays in?
Okay, audition report and talent rounds, they are nowhere related.
Okay.
Right? This audition is done. It was an independent audition. If you clear today's audition, right, then you can participate in Forever Miss India 2021. And once you become an official participant of Miss India, only then you can appear for these talent rounds. So we have these 3 talent rounds for which, for all these 3 rounds you can appear. You will be given 3 chances to prove yourselves on this platform. Right, and after that, we will be selecting city winners from every city. So that happens after the audition. Audition only happens once. That was today.
So you're saying the talent rounds are like a 3-time chance for you to prove yourself? And
yeah, so there will be 3 talent rounds where we will be judging you, separately. Like in talent round 1, it is going to be about your presentation skills, your talent, right? Something that you're passionate about. For example, if you say singing or dancing, so you will be performing there. Talent round 2 is going to be about your makeup skills. So firstly, a makeup artist, an expert is going to train you, and then you'll be appearing for your talent round 2. And the final round, that is your talent round 3, will be about your ramp walk, right? So a ramp walk expert will train you, and then you'll be appearing for these. So you will be appearing for all of these 3 rounds, and then we will be selecting finalists from your city.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Thank you, Kirti ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Paramita, you have a question?
If I get selected and in the talent round, if as you give example that we can sing also, then can we choose our vernacular language to sing?
Yes, certainly you can.
Okay.
In fact, a lot of participants, they have done that in the past.
Okay.
They have used their languages, yes.
Okay, actually, as I mentioned that I am in the process of having training in the field of Ravindra Sangeet. So I would love to showcase that.
No, certainly. And we would love to hear you doing that.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
All right. Thank you so much, ladies. It was wonderful hearing from each one of you, and we are absolutely looking forward to see you guys in the training sessions where we get to know more about you and see your talents and see what you are capable of, and of course your talents adding a lot of value to our platform. Thank you so much for your time. Have a lovely evening ahead. Goodbye, and that is us signing off. Thank you.
Thank you, and same to you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.